Here's an example of how you can simplify an expression or an equation using the double angle formulas. This was taken from an example set at page 270 in the IBSL book. The formulas are in the box here. The first problem we're going to do is simplifying this expression 3 times the sine of theta cosine of theta. It looks very similar to the double angle formula, but it has the number 2 here, and we have 3. So how could I create this as 2 times the sine of theta cosine of theta? So I'm going to take out a 3/2 and then multiply it by 2. So in this parentheses is the double angle formula. If you think about multiplying 3/2 times 2, these 2 would cancel out, and you're still left with 3 times the sine of theta cosine of theta. I'm going to undo what I just did, just so you can see why I took out a 3/2. So again, it's 3/2 times the sine of theta times the cosine of theta. Well, this parentheses is the circle up in the box. So I'm going to replace it, the parentheses, with the double angle formula, the sine of 2 theta. So this piece, the parentheses, is now the sine of 2 theta. And then I still have the 3/2 out in front. So it's 3/2 times the sine of 2 theta. Example B, using the double angle formulas. I'm going to first just take out a 2. So I'm left with the GCF, that's the 2. I'm left with 2 times cosine squared of 5x minus 1. Now this formula that I'm going to use is right here. 2 times cosine squared of u minus 1. Notice that my u is going to be 5x. So I'm going to replace this with the cosine of 2u. Now remember, u is 5x. So I have the 2 out in front, and then this parentheses replaces with the cosine of 2u, so 2 times that 5x. Now I can go ahead and just multiply the 2 and the 5 together as 10x, and then I have the 2 still in front. And that's how you can simplify with double angles.